Samantala, pinasasampalan ng patong-patong na reklamo ng Kamara si Vice President Sara Duterte. Ito'y alinsunod sa rekomendasyon ng House Committee on Good Government and Public Accountability na siyang duminig sa mga kontrobersyang ibinato laban sa Vice Presidente. Si Mela Las Moras sa report.
Those in favor, please say aye. Those opposed, please say nay. The ayes have it. The findings and recommendations contained in the committee report 1503 are hereby adopted.
Pinagtibay na ng Kamara ang committee report ng House Committee on Good Government and Public Accountability na naglalaman ng kanilang rekomendasyon na sampahan na ng patong-patong na reklamo si Vice President Sara Duterte. Ito ay kaugnay pa rin ng umano'y maling paggamit niya ng confidential funds at iba pang mabibigat na issue laban sa kanya. Sa plenary session ng Kamara, inilatag ni Good Government Committee Chair Joel Chua ang detalye ng kanilang report.
The committee conducted a total of 8 public hearings with respect to the legal action to file cases against officials for the following. Number 1, technical malversation. Number 2, falsification and use of falsified document under Article 170 and 171 of the Revised Penal Code. Number 3, perjury. Number 4, bribery and corruption. And number 5, plunder under Republic Act 7080, betrayal of public trust and culpable violation of the Constitution.
Bukod dito, pareho na ring lusot sa plenaryo ang committee reports ng TRICOM at QUADCOM na bunga rin ng mga komprehensibo nilang pagdinig sa ilalim ng 19th Congress. Para sa dalawang joint panel, mahalaga ang kanilang mga rekomendasyon para mapagbuti pa ang estado ng iba't ibang sektor sa lipunan.
It cannot be denied that the digital sphere has become a battleground of disinformation, misinformation, and fake news, with deepfakes posing as an essential, urgent threat. Without coordinated regulatory and technological responses, these online falsehoods will continue to fracture national unity and trust in democratic institutions.
At the conclusion of our work, Mr. Speaker, QUADCOM was able to prove the critics wrong. It does not exist for political persecution nor cheap propaganda. It is not an administration tool to destroy the opposition nor a vehicle to advance one's political ambition. Mr. Speaker, the QUADCOM committee report contains established facts that hurdled the test successfully.
Kasabay niyan, ilang mahalagang panukala rin ang inaprubahan ng mga kongresista sa huling pagbasa tulad ng Anti-Pogo Bill. Mela Las Moras para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.